with Kami, where learning English is fun and easy. I'm Kami, and today, we're going to learn some basic English greetings and how to introduce ourselves. Are you ready? Let's get started. Kami, in English, we have different ways to greet people depending on the time of day. Here are some common greetings. 1. Good morning. 2. Good afternoon. 3. Good evening. 4. Hello. 5. Hi. Let's practice saying these together. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. Hi. Great job. Now, let's move on to introducing ourselves. Scene transition. Title slide. Introducing yourself. Kami, when you meet someone for the first time, you can say, 1. My name is Kami. 2. I am Kami. 3. I'm a boy. Let's practice. I'll go first. My name is Kami. Nice to meet you. Now, it's your turn. Say, my name is Ahmed, or Rima, or something else. Nice to meet you. Awesome. Now, let's learn how to ask someone's name. You can say, 1. What's your name? 2. May I know your name? Please repeat after me. What's your name? May I know your name? Perfect. Let's put it all together in a simple conversation. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. You can start by saying, hi, my name is Kami. What's your name? And they might reply with their name. Then, you can say, nice to meet you, their name. Practice this with me. Hi, my name is Kami. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Awesome. You're doing a fantastic job. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these greetings and introductions with your friends and family.